Hey guys, what's up? So, before beginning the session, I would like to wish you a very happy new year. May this new year bring a lot of happiness, prosperity, and health to you, and may you succeed by leaps and bounds in this new year. So, on these notes, let's get started. So, today's session is about adjectives. Adjective is very important. Yes, adjective is very important in your communication because that gives upper edge to you when you're communicating with the person. Instead of using simple and नॉर्मल वोकेबलरी यू कैन यूज़ डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. तो चलिए फटाफट से इसकी डेफिनेशन भी बता देता हूँ. एनी वर्ड विच इज़ यूज टू एक्सप्रेस द क्वालिटी ऑफ नाउन और प्रोनाउन इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. तो कोई भी वो लफ्ज़ जो कि क्वालिटी बयान करता है, कोई भी वो वर्ड जो क्वालिटी बताता है, क्वालिटी चाहे अच्छी हो या ख़राब हो, उसको हम एडजेक्टिव्स कहते हैं, राइट. सो एवरी एडजेक्टिव हैज़ गॉट 3 degrees also. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. So these are the degrees of comparison, or these are known as degrees of comparison. For example, cool, cooler, coolest, big, bigger, biggest, simple, simpler, simplest. So these are known as degrees of comparison, and there are 2 categories. In first one we add ER and EST. In the second one we add more and most. For example, important, more important, most important, or honest, more honest, most honest. These are known as the degrees of comparison. If you use different adjectives in your communication, that really adds something like rubies and diamonds to your communication. So it acts as ornaments to your communication. So adjectives are ornamental assets to your communication, right? So that's why this particular chapter is important, not only from grammatical point of view but from communication point of view. This is very important. For example, somebody is wearing a t-shirt or a shirt and you like that shirt, so you obviously will compliment him. Oh, your shirt is looking nice, your shirt is looking nice, your shirt is nice. Generally we hear that 90% of the janta use words like nice, good, or very good. Nowadays some people have started using fantabulous also, so I can count that as one more adjective in your normal vocabulary list. So why don't you try something else, some new adjectives. So these are the adjectives only. When you are using qualitative words to express quality, these words are known as adjectives, right? आप ये ना सोचें कि ग्रामर की कोई लेक्चर क्लास ली जा रही है. This class is not only important for students but it is important for all the people, whether you are a doctor, a professor, a normal serviceman working in any investor's company, you are working in any day-to-day grocery shop, you are working in any XYZ company. For example, if you have to appreciate someone's t-shirt or someone's watch, how would you appreciate? Just by saying nice, your watch is nice, your shirt is nice, or how would you say very good? Instead of that, if you say, hey, your watch is looking fabulous, fantabulous, fantastic, superb, marvelous, awesome, amazing. So if you use these adjectives, obviously your sentence would be noticed, and somewhere in the corner of his or her mind she would think or he would think, oh, Ajay is improving, Rohit is improving, Shivam is improving. Yes, so I should also focus on my vocabulary. The competition level will definitely increase inside your brains, because seeing you using such impressive vocabulary, such impressive adjectives, your friend would definitely start learning new vocabulary words. Of course, adjectives to give you a tough competition, right? If you just prefer alternative, if you use different adjectives, so your communication would be very well noticed by the person who is listening to you, whether he is a boss, whether she is your boss, whether she is your teacher, whether he is your teacher, whether your parents, your brothers, your siblings. So they will also notice, yes, my brother is improving, my student is improving, my employee is improving, my colleague is really giving me a tough competition nowadays, so I have to give him tough competition, I have to give her tough competition. So instead of using normal words like nice or good, why don't you go for, hey, your watch or your t-shirt is looking fabulous, your shirt is looking fantabulously marvelous, amazing, sizzling, awesome, mind-blowing, dazzling, absolutely splendid, marvelous, mind blowing. Not only to express quality, और कभी कभी आपको ऐसा भी होता है that you want to say this is bad or this is not good or I had a bad day. तो तब आप क्या कहेंगे? You just choose using bad word or a word similar to that. So instead of that, you can say my day was very unpleasant. It was a pathetic day. It was a deficient day. So just by saying bad or poor, you can use the synonyms of those words. It was a terrible day. Today I had a terrible day. Throughout the day I was receiving marketing calls or they were back-to-back meetings. So try to use different adjectives. These are adjectives. इन्हीं को adjectives बोलते हैं. ये चैप्टर ग्रामर से रिलेटेड तो है ही, साथ ही साथ आपके कम्युनिकेशन का ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है. तो आप कोशिश करिए कि कुछ डिफरेंट एडजेक्टिव्स आप याद करें. जैसे मैंने बताया, अब एडजेक्टिव जब आप यूज़ करते हैं तो साथ में आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि हम एडजेक्टिव्स की डिग्रीज़ को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू हैव टू कंपेयर टू थिंग्स, सो यू शुड से दिस लेन इज़ नैरोवर दैन दैट लेन. If I know that the comparative degree of narrow is narrower, then only I can make the comparison. अब लोग और स्टूडेंट्स गलती यहाँ पर करते हैं. जब वो कंपेयर कर रहे होते हैं तो रॉन्ग डिग्री ले लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, मोबाइल इज़ मोर बेटर दैन दैट. अब इसके अंदर क्या मिस्टेक है? इसके अंदर मिस्टेक ये है दैट द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ऑफ गुड इज़ बेटर. तो अब उसके साथ मैं अगर मोर का यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, सो दैट इज़ एन एरर. That is a grammatical error. So when you are using your degrees, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि हम degrees को किस तरह से यूज़ करते हैं. For example, suspicious, more suspicious, most suspicious. अब आपको किसी को बोलना है that this person is very suspicious. So अब आप उसका comparison करेंगे किसी और के साथ और आप ये बोल रहे हैं this person is suspiciouser. That is wrong. This person is more suspicious than that person. And here, when you are doing comparison, I would like to tell you one important thing. So many people, I have noticed that many people make errors in comparison while they are doing the comparison. When they are comparing and they are saying this gadget is better than that gadget. तो अब यहाँ पे जो than का वो use कर रहे हैं, अगर आप बोल रहे हो तो आपको कोई नोटिस नहीं कर रहा. नोबडी विल आस्क यू व्हाट इज़ द स्पेलिंग, क्या स्पेलिंग है इसकी दान की. बट जब आप लिखते हैं वहाँ पर आप पकड़े जाते हैं. सो उस टाइम दान की जो स्पेलिंग वो लिखते हैं THEN. वेयर एज व्हेन यू आर कंपेयरिंग यू हैव टू यूज़ THAN. सो दैट इज़ द वर्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन यू आर कंपेयरिंग टू डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. दिस थिंग आई वॉन्टेड टू शेयर विद यू. उसी के साथ अगर आपको सुपरलेटिव का यूज़ करना है तो सुपरलेटिव के अंदर भी आपको यही पता होना चाहिए दैट आई हैव टू यूज़ दिस वर्ड in the topmost quality, whether it is good quality or bad quality. So you should know that how should I use this word, right? So for example, if you are saying that this cell phone is the best phone, so now I know that this is the best phone, or this room is the biggest room, or this is the most important meeting. He is the humblest person. So you should be using the superlative degrees correctly, right? And in superlative, 90% we use article the before superlative degrees. This is the best bag. This is the best laptop. This is the best computer. So most of the time article the is used. There are rare chances when we do not use article the, when we skip the. It depends how the sentence is being written or how the sentence is being spoken. So you should be using the superlative degrees correctly, right? So this was about the usage of adjectives in your communication. If you just use these different adjectives, I believe not only you would be noticed by the other persons, but you would feel confident within you. You will definitely feel confident. Yes, I am something. I have fab communication. I have fabulous, fantabulously magical communication. I have fantabulously marvelous communication. By the way, self-praise is no recommendation. So the other person who is your friend or whom you are interacting with or your colleague, he or she will definitely praise you. Hey, you are improving. आपका जो communication है बहुत अच्छा. क्या बात है भाई, आजकल तो बहुत मोटे मोटे लफ्ज़ यूज़ कर रहा है. क्या बात है? आर यू वर्किंग ऑन योर कम्युनिकेशन? योर कम्युनिकेशन इज़ इम्प्रूविंग, योर ग्राफ इज़ गोइंग अप. So they'll be praising you with the phrases like that, and you would be puffed, your chest would be puffed up with pride. So why not? If you work hard, you are noticed, and then when you are noticed, you feel confident. When you feel confident, you think, yes, I am growing, I can grow, I can achieve my goals, I am striding in the right direction. So आप ये सब सोचते हैं and you feel very confident, yes, I am achieving my goals, I am striding towards the aim. So on this note, I would say that I'll just keep it short. Time to say goodbye. I hope you liked today's session also. If you liked this session, please लाइक माई वीडियो, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. और अगर आपको किसी ने वीडियो शेयर किया है, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप दैट यू लाइक्ड इट. और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए प्लीज़. अगर आप मेरे चैनल को फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं, सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, like the video and share it with someone who needs it, who wants to improve his or her communication. You can share this video with your siblings, you can share this video with your friends, with your employees who are weak in communication, and I hope that they would definitely learn out of this video. And I promise I would keep doing this hard work for the betterment of education, for the betterment of academics. On this note, see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your surroundings, take care of your health. Thank you very much. See you soon.